Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel where we are dedicated to providing the latest amazing rock stones paint ideas. Very amazing rock painting collection. Different cat paint ideas designs in this video I'm sharing with you. So friends, I hope you like it. All my unique and decent creative style ideas. So my dear friends, keep enjoying my unique videos starting to end. On connect with me. Beautiful, amazing stone rock paint ideas are very amazing and embellished collections. So viewers, I hope you like it. So friends, enjoy my unique and beautiful collection. So I hope you like it. These amazing rock stones paint ideas very beautiful. So viewers, I hope you like it. Keep enjoying my unique and different latest beautiful styles of these collections. All my unique and new designs, new greatest ideas. These rock painting collection are very different and unique. I hope you like it. And you can make these rock painting collection for cat designs are very pretty and different. So keep enjoying my unique collection starting to end or connect with me. All my unique and different latest style ideas. Let's see my next video on my YouTube channel. Friends, take care and enjoy my unique all depends rock painting collection on my YouTube channel diagram video. I hope you like it. Let's see my next video. All my unique and new different paint collection for rock.